Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really very nice makeup for Navratri, and let's just quickly get started with the video. Here I am moisturizing my lips, and the lip balm is from the Body Shop, and this is a really great lip balm because it does not have any fragrance or anything of that sorts, but it actually moisturizes your skin. And here I am tying my hair up so that it does not come in my way while doing the makeup. And here I have already moisturized my face as well, and I am straightly starting by applying the foundation, and the foundation that I am using is from Chambord as usual, and I will be applying the foundation with the elf beauty sponge. And yes, first I am applying the foundation all over my face, and then I will be blending it with the sponge. Okay, I'm using this fixing spray from Makeup Revolution, and I'm spraying that onto my sponge so that my makeup lasts for long, because since we are going to dance or do garba, so we don't want our makeup to just melt. Here I am blending the foundation really very well. Guys, it is really very necessary to get the foundation of your shade, because then it will give you a very natural look. Then I am taking this concealer from Maybelline, my favorite concealer. It is from their Fit Me range, and I am just applying it under my eyes, onto my forehead, onto the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and under my contour, so that it gives a really very nice effect to my skin, because after applying the foundation, your face does not have that dimension. So to give back that dimension, contouring and highlighting is very important. I will let the concealer to sit on my face for say around 30 to 40 seconds, and by doing this, it actually gives a very nice coverage, because I feel like doing it that way, so I did it. And yeah, I'm starting by blending my forehead, and at the last I will be blending my under eyes, because I want to highlight my under eyes. Then I am taking this loose powder from Bharat and Doris, and I am not exactly going to bake it, but I am just applying this to set my concealer. I will not bake it exactly, but I'll do some sort of baking. Not exactly the baking. Now After letting the powder to sit on my face, I am just rubbing the excess with this big brush. Now just let's move on towards contouring, and I'm using this NYX palette, and I'm using this really very nice dark shade to contour my face. So I'm actually using this shade for the first time to contour my cheeks. So yeah, actually this gives a very nice finish. So yes, I am just contouring the areas which I want to um, make look really very sharp. So yes, I am also contouring my nose. Now I am just giving a very nice defined look to my brows. I've just taken the same concealer and drawn a line on the surface of my brows and then just blending it into the skin. Now I am taking this brown shade and I will be applying it onto my crease and onto the outer corners of my eyelids. Now I am taking this burgundy shade and I will be applying it all over my eyelids. Now I am taking this dark purple shade and applying it onto the middle of my eyes, that means on the eyeballs. Over my eyeballs. Now on the tear dot I am taking one gorgeous golden highlight, and I am just applying that onto my tear dot. Now I am taking this liquid eyeliner from Lakme, and I will be just drawing a winged eyeliner. Now I will be using this kajal from Maybelline, and I will be applying it onto the lower waterline. Okay, for the blush I am taking this blush palette from Coastal Scents, and yeah, I will be applying it onto the apples of my cheekbones. Now I am taking the same highlighter palette from Morphe, and I will be applying it onto the highest points of my face. Oh, I have already put on my falsies, and now I am just applying the mascara, and this is just gonna give a really nice look. For the lipsticks, I have taken two lipsticks from Color Bar, and these are the lip stains, I believe, and I will be applying it onto my lips. So I'm applying this next lipstick, by the way. Okay, now I'm setting my makeup with this Makeup Revolution fixing spray, and I have made a really simple bun, and yeah, this is how the makeup looks like. Now this is the final outcome, you guys, and yes, if you like this video, then please give this a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Until then, bye. I love you all.